Discover a world of food, wine, and culinary traditions.
I have a passion for food. Both of my grandparents were farmers, so I have a passion for really great ingredients. I think that's the magic for me of traveling, connecting where you are to the food and wine experience, and that's what we do in Oceania. That's our trade. Our first ship, Marina, in 2011 was the first hands-on cooking school at sea. There are 24 students and 12 stations. We work in pairs. They come into our cooking school, they strap on an apron, they have a knife, they have pots and pans. Our cooking classes are based on techniques. They're based on cuisines of the world. Some of the classes are based on the ingredients. They cook the food, they taste the food, and it's a very lively couple of hours. And they drink the wine. So our culinary program started with classes, and then guests started saying to me, "Chef, where are you going?" when we were in port. And I said, "Oh, I'm going to the spice market, I'm going to a fish market, I'm going to go see a local olive grower. Oh, could we go along?" So now we have over 50 culinary discovery tours all around the world. We go to markets, we go to local places of culinary interest. We'll go off and buy watermelon and eggplant and basil and rusks, and we'll make a beautiful Greek lunch because we've been in Corfu. So it's just great, great fun.
Everyone's so helpful. Everything's just perfect, absolutely perfect. And we have a very good time, and we drink a lot of wine. We enjoy ourselves.
What we hear from the guests is, "This was the highlight of my cruise. This was my most memorable experience. If I could always travel like this, I would." And I never knew that you could get this deep into a local culture, a local port, which is what we aspire to. Those are really important things for me as a chef, to be able to show people, I love my job.
Professional techniques, lifelong connections, unforgettable experiences. The Culinary Center and Culinary Discovery Tours. Contact Destination Services to reserve your own amazing culinary experience.